What's up, Treacle Toffee World community? We're back with another video. This is Alice, who's new to the Treacle Toffee World lore. And returning is Uthmaan.
He's alive!
And Ivan, who came back from the factory. After I've told them the true spirit of Christmas, they let him out just for one day.
Campbell literally closed the factory.
Yeah.
It was not
3. Yeah.
3 months ago.
Yeah.
3 months ago.
Okay.
Maybe 6 or
February,
7.
January.
Oh yeah.
I thought you were talking about the last video. The last video.
You said Christmas, that's why you got let out.
Yeah, our Fried Chicken Headquarters video was 3 months ago because in the intro it said Uthmaan Gaming.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're not Uthmaan Gaming anymore. We're Treacle Toffee World.
Triple
T.
You want to hold the camera now?
Not triple T, double T and a W.
Yeah, Triple T is saying. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, should we explain what we're doing?
Okay, today we're going back to Henderson.
Yep.
And then we're going to go to Fried Chicken Headquarters potentially.
Fried Chicken Headquarters. Again. It's confirmed.
Oh.
Uthmaan here.
You should go to Farmers to make a set for us.
Yes.
Not gonna lie, I don't even care about the fried chicken.
Of course you do. Well.
Maybe you want to put in here. You sucker coming.
I'm sorry. Okay, screw it. See you at Henderson Mall. Actually, see you on the bus probably. Oh, we're crossing. Ah! Oh no, I'm retarded. Confirmed by Uthmaan. We're catching the train.
Uthmaan, you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Ivan, you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Floyd, are you excited to be here?
I'm full of whimsical joy.
Pack it up. Alice, are you excited to be here? Okay. Am I excited to be here?
Are you?
No.
What up, guys? It's Floyd. We made it. We made it. We're gonna take off. What is this majestic ass music they're playing? They're playing like some Beethoven or something. Okay, we're gonna take off.
Okay guys, we are at Henderson Mall. Hell yeah, what are we gonna do today?
We're going to karaoke.
Oh my gosh, the illicit place. Floyd, that's abuse, okay? We talked about this.
Well, back in my mom's day, when it was not on a fire hydrant, it was a free hit. It was FH.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We are here in Countdown, or Woolworths if you want to be a nerd like I'm sorry. The Alice Slender's getting out of hand. She's gonna tickle me. Anyway, we're getting some shit. Oh yeah, Uthmaan got some donuts. He shared them, they're pretty nice.
Everything green apple is great.
I agree. Put W's in the chat if you like green apple. Get some
Gummy bears.
food. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. After Floyd got a white monster and some crocodile lollies, and Campbell got some green apple licorice, and Uthmaan got some mini cinnamon donuts from a food truck, we decided to go to Japan Mart.
Okay guys, we just got our drinks. Ivan, what'd you get?
I got a good old watermelon.
Okay. Floyd, what did you get?
I got the white monster.
Okay. Campbell, what'd you get?
Pudding flavored jelly drink. I might die because of it, but whatever.
Yellow? You know the buns. Uthmaan, what'd you get?
You got the coconut mobu.
Ooh. That one.
Strawberry.
That's the coconut.
Oh, nice.
I got the guava.
Dude, watch me crack this white monster. Make things.
Wait, chug it.
I can't do that. Some people are impossible to please. As soon as they get what they thought they wanted, they always want more.
Wait, Alice, get these sounds.
I'm not doing it.
You freaking
She stole my drink.
That's untrue. Look, he's lying because he hates women, okay?
That's not true. I love and respect everyone. Then we went to the arcade at Event Cinemas to do some karaoke.
Hey, we're in karaoke, guys. Say something to the camera.
Hi.
Wait, hold on.
You guys want licorice?
I don't know.
I love it.
I just had like 80 grams of sugar and then 2 muggy mugs.
My God. Oh, that's tough. Toughness is filling me out. I have to keep taking the camera for a moment.
I'm just oh, they don't have a disco song.
What is that?
Yeah.
Check
Accident, you'll see.
Licorice.
Oh. Okay, where's the...
Okay.
Wait, turn the echo down.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to roam. My voice sounds terrible.
I know.
Do a shout out.
Yeah!
Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the king is dead along with the Jerusalem bells are ringing. Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield. My missionaries in the foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you're gone, there was never an honest word. But that was when I ruled the world. I'm trying my best. Hey, Jerusalem bells are ringing. Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield. No missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. I was saying you don't want to call my name. Never an honest word. But that was when I ruled the world.
That's so hard!
Hey, yo!
I'm so hard.
That went out my nose.
But that was when I ruled the world.
It's for Minecraft scene, Minecraft reference.
Guys, what do you rate that out of 10?
Oh, that was something.
No.
Thomas, you don't want to shout out Thomas?
Move aside, let me record, bro.
Into the mic.
Actually sing it.
You're covering the camera.
Yeah, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All that wolfing on the neck. I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere I go. I showed up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that from you. Come get it back in blood.
Oh, that's not.
Come get it back in blood. They got you. You know they busy. Get alert. You gotta know I go too far. Big 2 O's up on this 100. One of my stand for Opa. You know.
You're bubbling! You're mouthing the words!
Was at my right pocket in the club.
Oh, what the hell, bro?
You come get it back in blood. Come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X. I know who it was. the 80s, want something back good in the blood. The hood took that from you, come get it back in blood. Bought a woofing on the net, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah, you know who took that from you, come get it back in blood. Come get it back in blood. I ain't last, got no Dodger, and know who it was. They took shit like the 80s, want some back in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Come get it back in blood.
Big.
That was so shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my
That was
gosh.
so tough.
This is gonna be a generational moment.
It's a Twitter.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain it through time. Oh, I know. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but I didn't even know. Wasted all just watching her. Give everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What you mean to me will eventually be a memory of the time I tried so hard, it got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I decided to try to remind myself I tried so hard. Snipe away your remark to me, acting like I was part of your property. Tried so hard, and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you. Push as far as I can go. For this, there's only one thing you should know. I put my trust in you. Push as far as I can go. And for this, there's only one thing you should know.
Hey, yo!
What was that?
Oh, lose it all. But in the end, it wasn't even bad.
He's in a Shakespeare era.
What?
He's in a Shakespeare era.
Yes. Remember what happened last time? Yeah. Wait, let's see his.
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo!
Yeah. Ivan is singing Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
It's my home song. It's my home song.
The club is in the basement, the final of the darkness. We're gonna be my friends at the table, flipping shots and drinking fast and talk. Come over and have time of a conversation with me, just me, you know. Just not taking myself, but the best know too much, grab on my waist and whoa! Party on me. Come around, come around, well, I'm in the shape of you. We push it like a magnet. One way to the story began to written on our first date. You and think there's peace, so we go home, we get easy, drink up the bag, and I fill up the plate. It's not like me. Come around, full of money. I make it easy, but I don't mind it that much. No, it's so good, I'm away now.
Okay.
Let's see it.
We sing body.
I got better though.
Let's go!
You ready? We're gonna do really well.
said your right to slip. You need a guardian. Ooh, and you know I'm yours. Ooh, and I know you're mine. Bang, bang, knock, knock, knock. Another big bang, down on the floor. No, what do? Don't look now, but I lost my shoes. I can't run and I can't kick. What's the matter, baby? Feeling sick. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter, baby? Feeling
You guys ready? It's gonna play the thing.
that's for all time. We know just like Buddy Holly. Oh, Mary Tyler Moore. I don't care about that.
Oh. Look at that experience.
Mic drop.
We're gonna get the best score.
85. 85.
Alright, we're waiting for the bus. And we're gonna go to fried chicken headquarters.
Yeah.
Again.
Wait, yeah,
Isn't that right, Campbell?
We're waiting for the bus this time, and we're not gonna walk because
Walking took like an hour. Look at horrifying. Look at that shit. The picnic goes, watch it.
Guys, if you are a fried chicken elite, if you're a fried chicken headquarters elite, comment fuck KFC. Okay?
Do that.
Do that.
Okay, bye.
Guys, we're on the bus. We're back to fried chicken headquarters. Uthmaan, are you excited?
Why are you asking me?
Why not?
How's Campbell?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Campbell, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I know a bit, so yeah.
Floyd, are you excited? Yeah! Yes!
That's the reaction we need.
Alright, see you at fried chicken headquarters.
okay, we're heading to fried chicken headquarters.
Yup.
Fried chicken headquarters.
I'm very excited.
Someone else got the phone.
What's yeah. Okay, sure. Guys, fried chicken headquarters. Freaking fried chicken headquarters, wait. It's fried chicken headquarters.
Very Trisha. You said it.
What's up, guys? Pack it up. Pack it up. Fried chicken headquarters, guys. We're gonna pack it up and take it with us.
Very Trisha.
Very tricky over there, guys.
Ivan, are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
What about you? What about you, Floyd?
I'm very excited.
I'm glad to hear it. What about you, Alice?
I'm exhilarated.
Exhilarating. I'm not gonna say the same joke again. I'm excited to be here.
You can sit back up.
Yeah.
So, in our first video, having some fun. Oh, that's a good look for someone with a great
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Now, what do you rate the watermelon out of, Ivan?
Watermelon with the fried chicken.
Perfect. What did you get?
I got barbecue.
Maple soy for Uthmaan.
That's 11 pepper.
Yeah, suits you well, Ivan.
Guys, I'm gonna try this fried chicken. No, I licked it. I'm fine.
We're witnessing history here. What do you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, like a 7, but that's just because I don't like barbecue. I think it was a different one.
Fair enough. I'm gonna try my piece. Maple soy. That's delicious.
Genuine question.
Okay guys, we're done for fried chicken headquarters. How was that? Yeah. Okay. What are you rated out of 10?
Like a
Speak off.
6.2. It's an alright out of 10.
What about you? There you have it.
I got 8 out of 10. It was good.
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Did you hear what this guy
First
said?
experience was really good. The ice cream. The Rocky Road ice cream.
That was more like cookies and cream.
The cookies and cream ice cream was good. It was good.
Yeah. Look at Uthmaan or a Okay. Treacle Toffee World out. We're back from fried chicken headquarters. Everyone else went home. Uthmaan got picked up. Alice got the bus home and crocodiles. Ivan took his bike home, so it's just me and him again. And he got crocodiles. Yeah, so all in all, I would say today was pretty good, you know?
Yep.
We went out and about to Henderson, we did karaoke, that was pretty fun, even though I got like the worst score.
I got the best score.
Yeah, he did. He poured his heart and soul into it.
Because I had a white monster earlier. I said the white monster was going to energize me so I could put my heart soul into it.
Yeah, maybe my soul wasn't into it, just every time I hear my voice in the microphone, it's like, ew, that's what I sound like? Heck, Alice Campbell. Anyway, next time on Treacle Toffee World, we will be going somewhere. Not Henderson Mall again, because we've been there three flicking times.
Yep.
3. So, it's probably gonna be
San. Pack it up.
Ichi, ni, san.
Yep.
Yeah. Might go to Newmarket. How does that sound?
Newmarket? Yep.
Yeah, we might introduce a new character this time. Again. Yeah. We've introduced one each time. So the first video was us 4.
Yeah.
Last video we introduced Phoenix. In this video we introduced Alice.
Yep.
So applications are open. If you want to join the Treacle Toffee World, send me a message.
Yep. And we'll read through it very professionally.
And we definitely won't have a biased opinion when it comes to selecting who joins us. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, make sure to comment, share it with really anyone who's willing to listen to you, or Floyd. Floyd, show them what will happen.
We'll hit you with this broom!
That broom of despair. Better watch out! Whoa.
So yeah.
These crocodiles are good.
Yep. Today was pretty marvelous!
Marvelous. That's the word.
So yeah.
Okay.
Treacle Toffee World out! See you next time.